After you have added all your information to your timeline, it is time to start formatting your timeline. There are several ways you can do this. One is that you can add media, pictures or video or audio to your timeline. Let's say I wanted to add a picture of George Washington. I can do this by using the media palette built into Timeliner by clicking on media, and this opens up the media palette. There's a pretty good library in here already, but if I wanted to search, I could search for George Washington, and up will come whatever images of George Washington are already in the media palette. Double click on the picture I want. I can choose whether to tag it to one of my flags or just add it to the background and then move it around to where I want later. I'm going to tag it right to my flag, George Washington. Press OK. And the picture appears. If I click on the picture, there's resizing handles. I can make it bigger or smaller. If this isn't the picture I want, then I can remove the image using the trash can and delete it from my timeline. Let's say I wanted an image off the internet and not off of this media palette. I can close the media palette and instead go up to Research Timeline or Research Internet right here and click on that. This opens up the internet for me. I can go to Google and type in George Washington. Maybe I want images, so I'll click on images. If this is the image that I want, I can click on him to see the full-size image. And if this is the image I want, I click and drag him up into my timeline up at the top, the event editor. Here I get again to choose whether I want to add it to an event or add the picture to the background. I'm going to add him to my event and press OK. Once I've chosen an image that I want to use in my timeline from the internet, I do need to include a citation. So I'm going to go to Add Citations, and we're adding a citation for this graphic. We're adding a website, and since I have the current web page open, I can just click Cite Current Web Page, and all of the information is filled in. Press OK, and now I have citations up here in my event editor as well. Once I do that, I can go back to my timeline, and there is his picture right there. Now let's say I wanted to change this flag as part of my formatting efforts. To click on the flag, down at the bottom there's a place where I can change my background color, and I can change the outline color of my flag if I so desire. I can even change the style of my flag if that's what I want to do. When I'm happy with it, I can move on to another flag. So play around with some of this stuff, and when you're ready, you can go on to the next video, which is creating a challenge from your timeline.